Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use similarweb as a spy tool and CJ Dropshipping to look for some new products. So with similarweb, I actually don't use it that much when I'm looking for stores that are running Google Shopping. So what you do is you basically put in a store domain that you want to spy on, and the reason that I don't really like similarweb that much is because it doesn't have any Google Shopping data. So if you come down here, we can see that the different traffic sources that they're running. So search here, this includes organic and paid, and also shows you the display that they're running as well, so on the Google Display Network. If we come down here, we can see here top 5 paid keywords. This is still a good little summary that we can use, because if they're running these products on Google search, then they're very likely running them on Google Shopping as well, right? So on the free version, you only get these 5 rows here, but I mean, they're good enough to go in and search what products they're using. So if you click this little link here, it opens up the search term in a new tab. So you can see they're ranking number 1 for this solar powered bird fountain. So if they're ranking number 1, I would definitely go and test this product out, because usually it's rare to see a dropshipper ranking number 1 on Google PLA. And they've also got another spot here as well. So if you're seeing a dropshipper rank number 1 for a product, I would definitely go in there and test the product as well. And what I'd also do is I would price the product slightly lower than they've got, because the lower you price the product, the higher Google values the rank. So like if you price it at like $24.99, it doesn't automatically mean that you're going to be ahead of them, because Next Deal Shop have been running Google Shopping for ages, and they've built up their quality score within their campaign. So the position is based on a number of factors, and one of them is quality score. And the way you build up a quality score is you run campaigns for a while. So it doesn't automatically mean that you get the first placement, but I would definitely go and test this product. So I'd go ahead and add all your stores to similarweb and see what kind of top paid keywords they're running, and then go ahead and test some of those competitor products as well. So the next thing I want to show you guys is CJ Dropshipping. So if you go to cjdropshipping.com, so sign up for an account and then go into our service sourcing. So yeah, you got to sign up for an account first, then go down to marketplace. So this is within the app, so you'll find this once you sign up, and then they've got like heaps of products here, but what you want to do is you just want to click on a product, and then it will take you to this like marketplace here. So usually I look at the related product section down here, but they've got categories here, and there's so many products here to choose from. So a good category to look at is consumer electronics. So I've used CJ a lot, and their electronics are a good quality. On AliExpress, I've been like screwed over a lot of times buying electronics that like haven't ended up working, but CJ Dropshipping is really reliable. So a lot of these electronics are fine, but there is some stuff that they offer that you shouldn't sell. Like I don't think you should be selling Canon cameras because you don't have like a license to sell them. So there are some things in here you should watch out for. Don't sell this. Don't sell Game of Thrones. Like if you sell that, that's trademark infringement if you don't have like a license to sell it. So I would stay away from things like that. But this here, like camcorder glasses, they're pretty cool, and I've seen quite a few sellers sell this before. So I used to sell this on my store as well. It's like a raincoat for a camera. But yeah, just browsing through here, and then just getting ideas for products. And there's plenty of other categories to look at. So definitely go ahead and look at some of these products. I'm just going to type into Google and have a look, see who's advertising it. So yeah, these like sunglasses with camcorders sell for quite high ticket. So this would potentially be a good product to test as well. Yeah, so definitely incorporate CJ Dropshipping into your product research as well.